Let's talk about another mental model for math, the Hawthorne effect. Per a University of North Carolina study, when cameras get installed, crime drops. When you have a camera or eyes on you, your behavior changes. In essence, the Hawthorne effect says people modify an aspect of their behavior in response to the awareness of being observed. How does this help you in math? Well, I'll give you 2 reasons. First, if you suffer from procrastination, would it help if you had a reminder of how much you procrastinated? And if you had a measure of your procrastination, would you change it? If so, then install the Screen Time app on your phone. The app shows you how much time you spend on the screen. The numbers may shock you. Now try reducing this amount by 5 to 10% per week. And with the newly freed up time, why not use this extra time to do your math homework? Second reason for the Hawthorne effect and how it will help you with math homework. A camera will help you modify your behavior too, and here is how. If you procrastinate or daydream for math homework, try this trick. Around the time you should be starting math homework, set up your phone to record yourself. And here's the rule. You can only hit stop on the recording when you finish your math homework. When you do this, one of 2 things will happen. 1, you'll jump right into your homework for fear of being caught procrastinating on camera. And 2, you'll play back the recording and see just how much time you wasted. In summary, install the Screen Time app on your phone and record yourself when it's time to start your math homework. The results you find may just shock you. That's it for the Hawthorne effect.